Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Fogwing CMMS. In this video, we are going to discuss about all the enhancement and the performance improvement that we have done in different modules of this version of Fogwing CMMS version 2.24. So moving on with the first enhancement that we have done in the asset module. So if you now go into the asset module, you will see that there are some changes which have been done in the dashboard. So the first changes that we have done is the plant name display, which will be visible into the asset name column. So earlier, the plant name was not visible for a particular machine or asset, but now you'll be able to exactly see that this machine belongs to which plant. So that is now available here in the asset name column. The second changes that we have made is in the asset code column. As you can see here, we have introduced the QR code along with the asset code here. Earlier, if you click on the asset 360, you would able to find that QR code, but you have to all the way go into the asset 360 and then view the QR code and then download it. But now it is more simpler. You can just access that QR code from the asset code column itself. So this is the second changes that we have done. So the third changes that we have done in the asset module here is the visibility of the asset health score. So now a donut chart is visible with the information of MTTR, MTBF, and TCU, as you can see here. So you don't have to all the way go into the asset 360 reliability section to check the health score and other KPIs such as MTTR, MTBF. It will be now visible from the health score column itself. So this is one of the changes. And then the last changes in the asset module is introduction of the filter by plant. So now you will be able to segregate different machines related to different plants. So you just have to, click any of the or a set of plants here, and you just have to click on filter. So it will filter out all the machines which belongs to that particular plant. So that will be visible here. So this is the first enhancement in the asset module that we have done here. So the second enhancement that we have done is in the work order module. So if you go into the work order module, we have implemented a thing where if you create a duplicate work order, the system will prevent you from making a duplicate fault work order. So if you try to create a work order, a fault work order of a machine which is already in fault, the system will prevent you from doing it. So we'll see that. So for example, if we create a fault work order, if we create any of work order code here, and if we select a particular asset here, select a fault repair, I'll select the fault, for example, and then we'll select the target date here. And if you click on submit now, you'll get an error that this asset is already in fault state, cannot create a duplicate work order. So you will have to work on that fault work order, which is already created for that machine. And then, you'll be able to create a fault work order. So it basically prevents you from creating a duplicate fault work order. Now, this is we have implemented only in the work order module. So if you are creating any of the fault work order from the MRO request or anything like that, so the system will, it will let you to create it, but we are going to work on that in the upcoming sprints. So stay tuned for that. So the third enhancement that we have done is like we have done the significant improvement across key modules such as execute work orders. So now the loading times are less no matter how many work orders are there in your bucket. So it doesn't matter now. you'll be able to easily access any of the work order. You'll be able to easily access different uh, different work orders from here. So without any loading time, you will be able to see all the work orders here. Not only just in the work order execute module, we have done the same thing in the asset module itself. So now it just uh, filter out different asset, and you'll be able to see all the asset within a click of seconds there. Um Also, the same thing is done for the work order module here. So if you select any of the completed work order, and if you're filtering them out, we'll be able to see all of them in a very less amount of time here. So this is like the major improvement, the performance improvement that we have done in this update, so that it will be easier for the maintenance team to carry out their day-to-day work here. So these are all the updates that we have done in the Fogwing version 2.24. Stay tuned for more such updates, which will be in the upcoming sprint. So thank you so much for watching this video.